my God! Wow!
This guy was complaining about his back, but it doesn't seem to be like that.
What the fuck?
12-5. 12-5. Dheeraj bhai making sure his troop is good. 12-5. Dylan to serve. A float serve. Good pass by Akash. A chance to drop. Free pass. Unfortunate. Given by was not able to control. Line error. Referee Prakash making sure कि Kevin भाई okay है. A little bit of massage. Okay. Everybody checking with Kevin bhai. And he seems to be fine. Absolutely fine. Then Akash and Noel bhai's team come back. Good serve again. Oh, that's a dead block. We have a wall.
Nice block.
Clyde. Who took the net? No, Noel is playing backline. Shijo to serve. He forced his way into the team.
Yeah,
He injured
I'm
two
good.
players.
आपका टीम बाद
He
में?
got his name in.
पहला जीता हम लोग।
हाँ, इससे पहले हो गया।
Good
ठीक है।
serve, good pass. Again a set. Clyde to hit. And there was Neil present there. Again a good ball by Neil. And again that's a washout.
Wow,
Point goes to
blackout,
Neil's
very
team.
nice.
Score is
Nice block.
14-6.
Changing the code. They are changing now. Changing the code. Very nice.
One-sided affair here. Pass by Akash. Out ball, no wash. Sabrish bhai. We need Sabrish bhai. Johnny White to serve. Good floated serve. Oh, Shailu giving pass. That's something very nice. Oh my God.
Right ball.
अपने ही कोर्ट में बॉल गिरते हुए देखते हुए अपने सबरिश भाई. बहुत ही amazing. Here comes the killer serve. Dheeraj bhai.
Go Dheeraj!
And as it is expected, yes. धीरज का नाम बदल के एस भाई रख देना चाहिए. एस भाई to serve. 16-7.
Wow.
तारीफ कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गई.
ज्यादा एनर्जी हो गई,
इसको.
पावर ज्यादा हो गई.
Good serve. Shailu giving perfect pass. And Asim bhai coming with the point.
Touch out.
That's a side out by Asim. Making the best of his chance. Again.
Drop and do better part. Come on Dylan!
Good serve, good pass by Akash.
Wow, ball is coming here.
9-17. Good serve. Oh, right pass. Easy.
Very big mistake.
Remy getting frustrated.
Come on.
Siju to serve again.
Wow, what a shot.
Shot. Siju on fire.
Fantastic.
पहले बहुत बहाने बनाते हैं लेकिन गेम में कोई असर नहीं है. पता नहीं कौन सी गोली खा के खेल रहे हैं. बोले बैक दुख रही है. सीटो आप सर्विस तक. Pin point place by Akash. ताकत से काम नहीं तो अकल से काम लेते हुए आकाश भाई. Dylan भाई का supply. जी भाई का बहुत ही अच्छा डिफेंस। आकाश सबरीश भाई का एक खतरनाक शॉट, खाली जगह देखते हुए जबरदस्त शॉट मारा है सबरीश भाई ने। ताकत की थोड़ी कमी लेकिन जगह परफेक्ट। बहुत प्यारा सेट।
मारे
बहुत ही प्यारी रन। कंटिन्यूस ब्रदर अगेंस्ट ब्रदर। तुलसी का कॉल आ रहा है लेकिन आकाश भाई इतनी अच्छी रैली के बाद
आउट बॉल
स्कोर होता हुआ 20-12।
come on sir, good what's up,
तेज भाई की सर्विस।
wow,
बहुत ही अच्छा सेट।
oh mistake,
तेज भाई टू सर्व
come on Tej bhai, nice
और केविन भाई का बहुत ही अच्छा ब्लॉक।
wow,
रीच
in ball
इसका कॉम्बिनेशन है केविन शैलू, एक खतरनाक कॉम्बिनेशन। नीरज टू सर्व
सेंटर दे टॉप स्कूप
mistake
फिनिश कर दें।
फर्स्ट टाइम
oh
Place the ball just 5 Score 22-14, 14-22. Better hit.
short ball very nice,
come on Dylan, let's do this.
Like Bruno. ब्राजील के भी ब्रूनो को चैलेंज करें हमारे केविन अन्ना ऐसे सेट। डिलन भाई अपनी सर्विस करते हुए अपना टाइम लेंगे टाइटैनिक जैसे।
out
इन बॉल
ball is out no यार,
जसील की आंखें लाइन पर
on video, wow, what a shot man,
क्या सेट
सैलू भाई,
क्या मारा है।
शैलेश
लोग बहाने बनाते लेकिन क्या मार रहे हैं,
क्या मार
पॉइंट
रहे
भी छोड़ा नहीं।
हैं, क्या मार रहे हैं,
सीजो भाई वापस जगह देखते हुए किधर सर्विस डाली। लास्ट पॉइंट
finish your basketball,
सेंटर देख उन्हें पड़ ड्रॉप
out, what a shot, yeah, this is almost finished now, so next team, they are get ready, next team guys,
The first team that won.
guys, this is next game again, so they are get ready, the team it will ready to for playing, yeah. He's the one referee, his name is Silas referee, and I think this team is very strong, they are good player, almost good player, so start.
Ethan, go get sanitizer.
Great block there. Good defense.
What a block! Wow, wow, wow! क्या मारा है सर जी? सर जी?
Ritu's good block there.
What a block, guys!
One love.
What a
Bhavin
block.
serving. Nice service. Nice smash.
In, ball in, ball in.
One all, one each.
Come on, guys! Good spite. Wow, wow, wow!
What a defense there, but 2-1.
Come on, Setti bhai. Mr. Setti.
Let's go, Daniel. Let's go.
That goes out. Well left there, Remy. And good defense by Remy there. 2 all, 2 each.
It's going out, guys. Yeah, get 1 point.
Remy just hit the serve.
दूसरा नहीं आया, मैं रूम में जाके आया फिर.
What a block there. Nice block. Good one by Clyde. 4-2. Nice service.
Very nice. Good
Abhul's
shot.
got the point for the team. Excellent smash there. Arun serving. 3-4. That goes
Ball is out.
5-3. 5-3.
5-3.
He's serving. Nice service. Ranju.
Wow, wow,
What
wow. What a place.
4-5.
Ranju bhai. Oh, good try, good try. Very
Nice
nice.
smash by Akash. 6-4.
Good try, bhai.
Don is serving. Nice service there. What a defense. Good one by Noel there. 7-4.
Very big mistake.
Donny continue to serve.
Yeah, net ball.
Good call there. 5-7. Shetty serving.
Mr. Sethi service. Oh,
Good defense by Arun, but 8-5.
it's fine.
Good rally. Remy serving. Good one by Ritu there.
Point 9,
6,
6, 8,
8.
6,
Bhavin
8.
serving.
Nice, nice, nice. What the? Oh, out ball.
Smash from outside. 7, 8.
Come on.
Bhavin continue to serve. Nice service. Good one by
Wow, wow,
Sabrish.
wow, wow, wow.
9, 7. Don't need to serve. Excellent service there. Good pass, please. Wow. Excellent smash by Akash. 10, 7.
Good try, good try. Very
Once
nice.
more, Akash. Nice service again.
Oh,
They get the point.
mistake,
Touch
mistake.
out. 11, 7. What a service by Dhoni there. Get the point.
What happened, guys? Be strong.
12, 7. Good defense by Akash. By Remy again. Oh, nice one by
Nice,
Daniel.
nice, nice, nice. Very nice.
Good job by Akash there. 13, 13-7. Good change.
Wait, wait. They are changing the code. Code changing. So
13-7. Dhoni to serve.
Dhoni.
What a
In.
smash there
Ball is in.
by Abu. Ball right. 14-8. Nice service by Gucci there. And Ritu has got the point by switching. 9-14.
Come on, guys. Be strong. Okay, okay, net ball, net ball.
10-14. Mervin serving. Nice service.
Oh my
Gosh. Wow! See it again.
Akash bhai,
15-10.
fight very nice. He's the strong guy.
Somebody is asking for a replay. What a smash! You got the
wow.
replay.
Very nice.
16-10. Remy serving. Service, Remy there.
Wow,
Won
wow, wow.
by Ranju. Gets the point. 11-16.
Very nice, Ranjit bhai. Bye. Come on, Akash. Wow, 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 wow.
Nice smash by Akash. 17-11. Wife doesn't want to give the
Shot.
point for Akash. Nice one by Donny there. Abu gets the
In ball,
point.
in ball.
Nice smash.
In ball, in ball, in ball.
12,
In ball, in ball.
17.
Ball in.
Arun
Come on,
serving.
guys. Let's be
Good
strong.
setter.
Oh.
13-17.
Wait. Statistic. Make it straight.
Technical break.
Discovering technical break. Some technical problem, guys. Okay.
Ready both the teams. 13-17. Arun serving. Nice service.
Come on, Donny.
18-13. 18-13.
18-13. This team goes to 18. Out ball. What the fuck? Out ball.
14-18. Come on.
4-point difference.
Fight. Both the teams are good. Good smash
What a
there.
shot.
19-14. Bucci serving. Nice service. And it goes out. Okay, it's in. Sorry. Nice smash by. It's a net. Whatever the referee calls, that's 15-19.
Shetty bhai. Service. What a serve.
Nice smash by Akash. 19-15. Good fight match. Still.
Oh. Again.
2016. Very good.
Wow. Very big mistakes. Net ball.
18-22.
going.
Nineteen
1923. Seti by service. What a shot. Very nice. Good spike.
Set point.
Calling set point. Wow. 2024. Game over. They are win.